To factory reset the Sonos room, you first need to power it off. To do so, press and hold the button at the back for around 5 seconds until you hear this sound. Then, press and hold the play pause button on top of the speaker and press the back button for 1 second to power it on. Now only hold the play pause button until you see the light in front of the speaker blink from white to orange. Like that. You can now release the button. The reset function of the product will reset the device to its factory values as if it was brand new out of the box for the first time. Now, you can do this procedure when the device is not working properly or before you sell it to someone else. We ensure by doing this that all accounts are disconnected from the device and that a future user will not be able to use our account connected to Sonos. The Sonos device is ready to be reconfigured as soon as the light blink green. If you need help reconnecting a device to your system, you can watch the video on the upper right corner. And if you need help to set up a Sonos system from start to finish, you can watch the video on the upper right corner. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see my other Sonos tutorial, visit my link in the description or just right here. I have a lot of video on the subject. Also, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Maybe you'll give me an idea for the next video. If you're shopping for a new Sonos device, please see my link in the description, and you should also see my video how to choose the right Sonos device for you just right here. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!